Who'd have thought this is how the pieces fit? You and I shouldn't even try making sense of it. I forgot how we ever came this far. I believe we had reasons, but I don't know where they are. So blame it on my heart. The moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising how love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest of my days, but still it's a mystery of how you ever came to me, which only proves love moves in mysterious ways. Heaven knows love is just a chance we take. We make plans, but then love demands a leap of faith. So hold me close, never ever let me go. 'Cause even though we think we know which way the river flows, that's not the way love goes. Love moves in mysterious ways. I'll watch the world go by in silence, deep in the night in silence. Time going by so slow. I think about the morning and it warms my heart, because tonight I'm going back to the one I love, and by tomorrow with the dawn I'll be there and he'll be beside me. Sunlight, oh sunlight, bring me the love I need to guide me, shining deep inside of me. Sunlight, oh sunlight, show me the way. I look at the stars and I pray for morning.
Maraming nagsisita ng dating taga-Torres, mga oldies, but who are successful in their own fields of endeavor. Nakikita nila, naalala nila yung mga nakalipas nila, kaya hindi sila pagabay noon. Nato yung ating gift. Okay, shall we start now? May we call on the representatives of the International Alumni Association. Ano makikita naman kayo ng mga kabataan naman ngayon? Mga kabataan ng Torresian, ganyan sila noon, ganito na ngayon, narating din ang panahon nyo, ganito rin kayo.
Honorable guests, administrative staff, and of course, our achievers. Mabuhay!
Today is a very special occasion because we will give recognition to the achievers of the school year 2006-2007 who gave honor and prestige to our school.
For 81 years, Torres High School has been upholding its culture of excellence, as proven by what these achievers have achieved. They make our they kept the torch of Torres High School burning.
And now, to start with, let's have the opening remarks from Mr. John Diet of Taiwan, who is the incoming president of the Supreme Student Government.
Let's give him a round of applause.
Mabuhay! In behalf of the Supreme Student Government, we would like to greet our beloved Principal, Ms. Lucina Sierson, our teachers, guests, co-students, trainers, and winners. A pleasant morning to all of you. To help future leaders, winners, and achievers, because Manila youth is considered as precious gems which help in building a progressive nation. Good.
Thank you very much, Mr. George Barrett. And now may we call on Ms. Rosa Maria Adriano of 3rd Year Section 1 to introduce our guest speaker.
A pleasant day to all of you. Our guest speaker belongs to Torres High School Batch 1990. He is the researcher of Reader's Digest 1996 to 1998. He is also a former faculty member of Philippine Normal University, Fatima College of Medicine, Manila Central University, UP Las Bañas from 2002 to 2003, UP Diliman Extension at Clark, Pampanga, and he is currently an assistant professor at Kalayaan College. To introduce our honorable guest to give us an inspirational talk, he is a man of wisdom. He is none other than Angelito S. Luna. Let's give him a round of applause.
Salamat. Karangalan ko ang aking karangalan sa araw na ito. Sa ating minamahal na unang guro, si Harrison, sa mga alumni na patuloy na nagsisilbing inspirasyon, sa mga guro na minsan ay natagday sa ating murang kaisipan, kakayahan at talino, sa mga magulang na matyagang sumusubaybay sa kanilang mga anak upang makamit ang sandaling ito, at sa mga mag-aaral na tunay na nagmamayari ng pasyong ito, isang maalab na pagbati sa inyong lahat. Ano nga ba ang kahulugan ng tagumpay? Ito ba ay ang mga titulong itinakabit ng tao sa kanyang pangalan? Itulungan. O ang tagumpay ba ay nasusukat sa yaman at kapangyarihan ng isang tao? Kung ang kasagutan ay ito, bakit maraming tao sa kabila ng kanilang titulo, yaman at kapangyarihan ay nakakulong sa isang malungkot, walang kapayapaan at kakontentuhang buhay? Ano kung gayon ang kaibahan nila sa taong hindi titulado sa yaman at kapangyarihan na nakatalibig sa miserableng buhay? Hindi ba't pareho lamang silang bilanggo sa kawalan at kapangyarihan? Ano rin ang kaibahan nila sa isang tao na may titulo, yaman at kapangyarihan na nambuhay ng masaya, payapa at kontento? Tunay nga, wala. Nilasahan ng sumunod na araw, dito mismo sa oval na ito, ininda ko ang mga kanyawan. Sabi nga ng isang kaklase niya, "Uy, narinig ang boyfriend mo, tutula lang ka rito, nagbubuhat diaryo." Hindi ko ikakailang hindi ako nasaktan sa pangyayari ngayon. Kung maaaring nga lang nawawala ng panahon yun, ginawa ko na. Sa ating murang gulang, ang ganang pagsubok ay libhang napakalaki. May mga pagkakataon na gusto ko ng subuko at huwag nang mag-aral. Nung ako ay nagpapulimyo, ganang problema pa din ang aking kinaharap. Dahil doon, naranasan kong mamasukan bilang isang gasoline boy sa San Marcelino sa Pandacan. That is possessing the happiness In addition, success is overcoming every obstacle in life. Who needs power? Who needs wealth? Who needs title if you are suffering deep within? Segundo, napakasarap isipin na ang bawat isa sa atin ay may kakayahan at pagkakataon na maging matagumpay. Para sa mga mag-aaral, mag-aral mabuti, punuin ang inyong pangalan ng mga titulo, magpakayaman, at maging makapangyarihan. Bakit hindi? Walang masama doon. Basta lamang huwag niyong kalilimutan na hindi lamang ang mga iyon ang sukatan ng tagumpay. Kung sakali naman na hindi kayo malalim, huwag malungkot at sumupok. Alalahanin na kahit sino, kahit ang basurero, kahit ang magbubuti, ang pinakadukpa ay masasabi din na tagumpay kung siya ay nabubuhay ng may tangal, kaligayahan, kapayapaan, at kakontentuhan. Everyone dies, but not everyone really lives. Ang bawat isa po ay mamatay. Ako, kayo, si nanay, si tatay. Lahat ay mamamatay. Ngunit hindi lahat ay tunay na nabubuhay. Ang ibig sabihin nito, may mga tao na nabuhay at namatay na lamang nang hindi man lang naramdaman, nakita at naranasan na sila ay buhay at kung ano ang kahulugan ng buhay. Ito po ang inyong tagumpay.
Po, for that inspirational talk, I hope
very proud to present to you the achievers, student achievers of Torres High School 2006-2007. Okay, first we have the achievers in English. We call on Richard Gerald Riva. Call on being the first place or historical content and energy that is statistics. Can say essay writing content, division level. Sixth place, photojournalism, Division 7. Sales S. Raimundo. Okay. Nils Joseph D. Alcantara, for 1. 10th place, Pagsulat ng Balita, Division 11. Studies. Adrian 2007. First in March. Second place, March 6, Division level. Third, Division Team, MTAP, Metrobank, Best Ed. And also the fifth place in the Limba Regional NCAP Metrobank Desert Math Challenge. And also he is the best in math. Now we have a teacher in science. Margin Vishwadra, 7th grade, science, history, division level. And also she is the best in science. Athlete of the Year. Rhetorical content on drug abuse prevention, division level. Mark Martinez, first place volleyball boys, district level. First place volleyball boys, district level. Angelo Gregoy, third place volleyball boys, district level. Anthony Gerani, outstanding senior scout. Physical competition sa Electoral Procedure, MC Abigail Ricardo. Seventh place, Physical Skills Competition, Parliamentary Procedure, Enrique Geraldine Riera also, seventh place, Physical Skills Competition, Parliamentary Procedure, and last, Del Santo. Distinctive talents, abilities, and comprehensible communication skills. Awarded this 20th day of March 2007 at Valentino Torres High School. With signatories, Mr. Cirilo T. Bautista Jr., President, Alumni Association based in Toronto, Canada, Mrs. Rosita T. Harrison, Principal 4, F. Torres High School. Mrs. Rodosita T. Nepomuceno, Head Teacher, Science and Technology Department, 4K Curriculum Chairman. And Mrs. Angelina J. Modesto, Alumni Association, International Director, Alumni Coordination. For the model girls, Torres High School Alumni Association International, Toronto, Canada, award a certificate of recognition to Margie B. Quadra for her outstanding demonstration of strong character traits, exemplary academic performance, collective involvement with the school and the community, distinctive talents, abilities, and comprehensible communication skills. Awarded the 20th day of March 2007 at Valentino Torres High School. So this plaque and cut award are from the Alumni International based in Toronto, Canada, and of course we have the counterpart in our locally with Mr. Miralles as the president.
Guest speaker from the THS Batch 1990, Mr. Angelito S. Luna, department heads, well-respected alumni of Torres High School, the teaching and non-teaching staff, trainers, advisors, parents, fellow students, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. Today's celebration, Recognition Day, marks the annual culmination of reaping the fruits of all our labors and sacrifices. We have spent our energy in a very competitive atmosphere. Torres High School has been a performing school through the years. It enforces discipline and prioritizes excellence as proven by winnings in practically most contests participated in by Torresians. Trainers and advisors who were there to support us whenever we feel low or depressed during pressure times. To all the people who have contributed a lot in making us better persons, we salute and thank you so much. The true essence of this momentous event in our lives is not just walking across the stage, receiving certificates and awards. This event means that we'll be facing more challenging tasks. Kaya sa ngalan ng humigit kumulang na 6,000 Toresian, buong lakas at taus-puso ko pong tinatanggap ang hamon na panatilihin kami ang banal na pag-asa ng bayan. Tulad ng isang mamahalin at mahalagang perla na ipinunla at hinugot mula sa pusod ng dagat, tayong mga kabataan ay itinaguyod, hinubog ng ating mga magulang at guro upang maging marangal na mamamayan, responsable, produktibo at kapakipakinabang para sa lipunang Pilipino. Teresians, you are the Manila youth. Be like precious gems who will shine and adorn not only oneself but also the country. With social awareness and moral values, you bring light to the less fortunate, and you will be the crowning glory of the nation. At mabuhay!
Thank you, Kuya Ricky. And to end the Recognition Day, let's have Agent Patricia Gonzalez, a former outgoing president of the Supreme Student Government, to give her closing remarks.
Mabuhay! Teresians, my dear teachers, department heads, winners of different contests, awardees, Mr. Angelito Luna, and our dear principal, Mrs. Rosita Silverstone. Today, we have witnessed the gathering of the winners of different contests. They have proven that there's nobody who could beat Torres High. In my 4 years of staying here in our school, I've heard of so many things about my school, and when I joined and participated in several contests, it test skills particularly for 2 years. The audience and the people around me always murmured. I heard them saying, "What school is she from? Hey, is Taurus next?" Or, "Hey, Taurus is next, Taurus is next." Well, they didn't recognize my school because I was wearing a white t-shirt and pants there. And to all the rest.
And that ends Recognition Day 2006-2007.
Congratulations to all the achievers.
You prove indeed, Torres High School, nangunguna magpakailanman. Congratulations again.
I would like to thank the PNC and the HC department for the good support extended.
I'm jealous of the people who are not afraid to die. It's just that I recall back when I was small, someone promised that they'd catch me, and then they let me fall. And now I'm falling, falling fast again. Why do I always take a fall when I fall in love? You'd think by now I'd learn, play with fire, you get burned. But fire can be oh so warm. That's why I turn and walk away. That's what I should do. My head says go and find the door. My heart says I found you. And now I'm falling, falling fast again. Why do I always take a fall when I fall in love? It always turns out the same. Loving someone, losing myself, only got me to blame. Help me, I'm falling, falling. Catch me if you can. Maybe this time I'll have it all. Maybe I'll make it after all. Maybe this time I won't fall when I fall in love.
Indian polishing and holding by the master craftsmen who equip us with the world-class technology and knowledge we need in order to become globally competitive. Education first.
Okay po, sige po. Sige. Sige. Okay, come on. Okay, nak, tingin naman dito sa video. Yan, beautiful. Ay, salamat. Closer, closer kayo kay Margie. Yan. Wow. Isa pa isa, isa pa isa. Yan. Subukan mo lang si Lola mo, si Lola. Kulang pa isa, tagtag isa, Jimmy. Tagtag. Yan. Yan, subo na rin si, daddy. Opo. Okay. Yan. Yan. More knowledge to come. Wish namin sa UP ka mag-aral. Yay!
Alis ka dyan, Victor.
Ang dami niya magsusuko ni Marcy. Picture pa.
Asa tayo ng hospital yung blood test mo? Kinuha nila pa. Asa tayo sa ibang hospital na sa Tayuman. Madalas doon. Sila niyang boat sa hospital. Yung lang kapag mag-anak na sa anak wa, bawa. Kasi pwede ka po sa lang. Kasi kailangan na. Emergency na. Pag maghanap ka sa iba, pampalit yun. Pampalit yun, oo. Ano nang bawa sa kamag-anak mo? Ay, bali, lagay sa akin? Hindi. Kukuha na nila. Mayroon silang bibilhan yun, tapos pagka ano, yun yung pang-ulit. Ganyan sa akala ko bang okay lang sana kung madiretso sa iyo yung kamag-anak mo. Hindi.
Naka-record na yan.
Robert. Ayaw.
Zoom.
Iya ka.
Dalam to. No, Margarita.
Howard. Uy, dali.
May mga nare-rate sa kabaret.
Pero ako.
Ay, wala ka. Labaw tayo, no?
No deal, no deal. Noodle, noodle.
So, pas na pa. Chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup. Ako close ang kay Mary Jane, no? Yeah. O, isa-isang pose, isa-isang pose.
Lipat yung hangin dito pa para mahangin ng
O, si Philip, si Philip. O, si
Bel,
Bel, si Bel. O, ikaw yung mga ayaw mag-share. Ayaw niya, ako na. Woo!
Sino ba ang ano? Kaya wala na
Si Margie, si Margie.
Masaya pa rin, Joy, kahit wala yung te.
Tawa ko na mama.
Masakit eh.
Kung masakit talaga.
Masakit sa damdamin. Hindi na pinaasa nila kami. Ay, sorry no.
Kahit wala yung...
Sana hindi na sabi, no?
10,000 ko.
Bakit?
Na-delayed.
Bakit?
Mercury Award.
Magkano?
Bibigyan ka lang ng Mercury. Dihayaan mo lang baka...
Hindi mo lang bibigyan ka namin ng ano, lifetime.
Dihayaan mo lang baka darating... Baka meron pa rin tagay ko.
Parang paracetamol sa taon.
2,000 Mercury.
Isang araw, isang balik. Sa iyawan, sabi, pero pusit to, pusit. Sabi ko, don't shower kasi may pusit. Bingin si Bini. Uy, hindi pa kumain. Ito na kumain na tayo. Gusto ko na
May kanin, Margie, ah. Chicken. Meron man yan. Ewan ko lang, mayroon pa. Chicken.
yan. Ay, may video na naman ako.
Take care.
I pray you'll be alright and watch us where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose our way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we'll be safe.
La luce che tu dai
I pray we'll find your light
nel cuore resterà
and hold it in our heart.
a ricordarci che
When stars go out each night,
l'eterna stella sei nella mia preghiera.
let this be our prayer.
Quanta fede
When
c'è
shall fill our day,
lead us to a place,
guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll